Okay, we are driving through Sabie now, and Snakes and myself are on our way back to Graskop. And on this trip we want to stop at the Mac waterfalls, and I'll put the drone in the air so that you can get some nice drone footage of a waterfall. And in this area there's a lot of waterfalls. We just haven't got the time to go and visit all. We want to spend more time riding our motorbikes. And as you can see, Sabie is quite a small little town, but it can become very busy, especially in holiday time, and over December especially. There will be a lot of tourists here and motorcyclists, and yeah, here's the SAPD in front of me as well. So it looks like he can't make up his mind. I'll just pass him here on the side. And yeah, I'm going out of town now, and this is still a 60-kilometer zone. And right here in front there's traffic cops on my left hand side. There you can see her walking over with a radar, busy doing a speed trap here with the cars coming down the hill into town. Now it's open roads, so you can wind up the motorbikes. Some nice open areas with long sweeping turns. So if you're on a sport bike on this road, you can really nail it. I actually turned in here at the Mac pools, and then Snakes told me no, it's still continue a little bit further on. So I'll just follow him. He knows the area quite well here because he stays in Leidenburg. It's about 70 kilometers from here, so he spends a lot of time riding in this area. Now here's the turn off to Mac waterfalls, but they've got a gate here, and then you have to pay there, and then you have to walk quite a distance. You can see we just continue riding, so I'll just stop on the side of the road, put the drone in the air, fly over, and get my footage that I want without paying a cent. Yeah, this is the area where we've got to stop. Okay, let's get that drone in the air. This is a beautiful gorge, and if I turn around now, then we'll see the waterfall. We just at the edge of our trees on the right hand side, that's where we stopped our motorbikes. It's quite high as well. I don't know how many meters, but it's quite a big fall. Sabie, Graskop, this whole area is known for the waterfalls here, and I can remember as a child we visited all these waterfalls, and you can make a thing out of it, a weekend just doing waterfall hunting and then checking all that. Like I say, it's going to take you time. Beautiful. Okay, it's time to bring the drone back, and then we'll just continue with our journey. There's the motorbikes in the distance. See the sun flashing on the exhaust pipe of Snake's bike. Guys, now, now please have a look at Snakes. He's so worried because the drone is low and there's cars coming, and you can see the distress on his face. So he just wants me to get that drone further into the air. But, oh, shame. Yeah, he's quite worried about the drone being knocked by a car. Yeah. Okay, drone is back in the backpack safely, and now we can continue our journey. Snakes in front. This is a lovely piece of road. So all these roads are so nice, except for the potholes, but the roads itself, the way it's laid out and designed, biker's dream to come and ride here in the Eastern Transvaal. I'll see if I can do another trip here in summertime, when this whole place is going to be green and lush, because we get our rain in summertime. In the Cape province we get your rain in the winter time. Yeah, I think it's time that I twist, give this throttle of mine a little twist so that I can just get some speed out of this bike of mine again. And away I go. Here's some more drone footage. Some nice photos that I took with the drone. And guys, thanks for watching. My next one will be Pilgrim's Rest. And keep safe.